The DJI Mini 5 Pro is the latest drone in DJI's compact lineup, offering a great mix of portability, powerful features, and top-notch image quality. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and perfect for both hobbyists and content creators. This drone lets you capture professional-level footage without the need for bulky equipment, making it a great option for anyone looking for high-quality aerial shots on the go. One of the standout features of the Mini 5 Pro is its 4K camera. It captures sharp, vibrant images with amazing detail. Even in windy conditions, the camera's stabilization system keeps your footage smooth and steady. Whether you're filming a beautiful landscape or action shots, the Mini 5 Pro delivers impressive results. The Mini 5 Pro offers up to 34 minutes of flight time, giving you plenty of time to explore, shoot, and create. Compared to earlier models, this is a huge improvement, giving you more flexibility for your creative projects. And despite its powerful features, it stays lightweight, weighing under 250 grams. This makes it easy to transport, and in many countries, it also simplifies the registration process. The drone also comes with intelligent flight modes like Master Shot, Quick Shots, and Focus Track. These modes make it simple to capture professional quality footage with minimal effort. No matter your skill level, these automated options make it easy to create dynamic and stunning shots. For extra safety, the Mini 5 Pro includes obstacle avoidance sensors. These sensors help prevent collisions, making it a great choice for beginners or anyone flying in more complex environments. It adds an extra layer of confidence, especially in tighter spaces. The Mini 5 Pro truly shines in its image quality. The 4K camera not only provides high-resolution shots, but also captures vibrant colors and sharp details. The large sensor improves its performance in low light, ensuring clear, noise-free footage even during dusk or dawn. Thanks to the enhanced stabilization system, your videos will be steady and cinematic even when flying in windy conditions or at high speeds. The intelligent flight modes like Master Shot and Quick Shots add more creative possibilities, allowing you to capture smooth, dynamic footage with ease. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is easy to control through the DJI Fly app, which works on both iOS and Android devices. The app's simple interface makes flying easy, and it even offers tutorials to help you get started. Setting up the drone is quick and simple, with foldable arms and quick-release propellers that make packing up and taking off a breeze. Overall, the Mini 5 Pro offers great value for its price. It delivers a high-quality camera, extended flight time, and intelligent features, all while staying affordable. Whether you're a casual user or a content creator, this drone provides excellent performance that doesn't break the bank. For anyone looking for a compact, capable drone, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is a fantastic choice that won't disappoint.